Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Artist One and good morning. Even though it's kind of it's between 3 to 4, but I just woke up, man. So for me it's good morning, and the video will go at morning. So I know it's not that wrong, right? So yeah, let's start my day like this. Yeah, I have to cook now because I am really hungry, and let's see what happens. First of all, I will clean my utensils and then I will just start to cook, chops my vegetables and all. And while doing that, this is a setup that I have because when I am alone, I do need something to listen to, someone to listen to. That's why I just play some kind of movie or something like that. Or if my roommate is there, then he comes to kitchen and we just talk. Yeah. So nearly everything is done, and now just I have to cook the rice and just have it. Till then, bye bye. You know what? Yeah. Change the movie because the last one was not that fun for me right now. And if I'm thinking that let's eat something less, eat a little bit less because if I don't eat much, then I don't look good. So yeah, that's the thing. हेलो, चलो चला आसमानों के पार। और मेरे को अंग्रेजी बोलना था लेकिन नहीं बोलना है आज मेरे को, नहीं बोलना है। चलो घूम के आते हैं थोड़ा सा। क्या बोलती हो अभी? चलती है घंटा था मे बी, क्या बोलूँ? चलो चलते हैं। So let's talk about epidemic sounds. Actually, it's good. Epidemic sound is definitely good, and they truly give us 1 month of free subscriptions. Most of the applications that I have still till now are good, but they don't truly give free subscriptions. It's like if you take a subscription of 1 year, then only you will get 1 month extra kind of thing. But Epidemic Sounds is good and it's really interesting. If someone wants to download it, then you can go check their website and just do it. And there are some background noises. Actually, to be honest, there is a clue. Who is trying her bicycle out? That's why the sound of that thing. And yeah, I just wanted to say that everything sounds really good. And the thing is, I am getting too much of ads about that. That's the only thing why I was getting eager to say about Epidemic Sound, eager to talk about Epidemic Sound, and I do have a subscription of 1 month free subscription, and I am kind of liking it. And you can download as many as songs or sound effects as you want, and they don't. It's truly, what to say, they don't give, I forgot the word, man. Yeah, copyright. You won't literally get copyright strikes, and my hands are paining. So till then, bye bye, tata. And they do have lot of musics and video effects, sound effects to choose on. There are a lot. let's play some one of them. I guess I have to download it before. Yeah, I guess I think like that. Let's play. Actually, let me close the door because that kid is kind of making it very hard to vlog. I can't complain because obviously she is a kid, so I can't complain about her trying to ride a bicycle. It's like not actually a bicycle, it's a tricycle nowadays. Yeah. So yeah, there are a lot of music videos and songs and all that, and there are some kind of filters. For example, like this one, drama, vlogs and all. You do get some of the filters, so you can choose it from there, or you can select it by hearing the songs and all. So yeah, till then, bye bye. And you know what? I'm not recording, and there is no background noises. She stopped riding her tricycle, and I'm not gonna record it again because I'm not that of a hardworking person kind of thing, and most probably I just want to keep it raw. So yeah. But literally, man, when I was vlogging, that time only she started riding the tricycle. Before that, it was I have tried 3 times vlogging the same thing, and all of those 3 times she was riding a tricycle. I know she has brought it recently, but seriously, man, please, man, at least a little bit. Till then, bye bye, sayonara. I guess for today that's enough. Maybe I don't know because I'm staying in a room right now, so I don't have much thing to say, much thing to vlog. So yeah, till then, bye bye, tata, sayonara.